Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my in-depth kitchen gear reviews. Today, we're diving deep into something that might not seem exciting at first glance, but trust me, this is one of those behind-the-scenes heroes that changes your everyday cooking experience. We're talking about the All-Clad 5-piece stainless steel kitchen utensil set, which includes a ladle, a solid spoon, a slotted spoon, a turner, and a storage caddy. Now, I know what you might be thinking. It's just a utensil set. But when it comes from All-Clad, the same company known for their world-class stainless steel cookware, you can expect craftsmanship, design, and durability that go far beyond ordinary tools. So let's take a deep dive into what makes this set worth your attention, your countertop space, and yes, your investment. Let's start with the first impression, the packaging. All-Clad keeps it sleek and professional. You can tell from the moment you open the box that this isn't your average utensil set. Everything is individually wrapped, polished, and protected. When you pull each piece out, you immediately notice the weight. These utensils have that solid, premium feel. No flimsy handles, no lightweight plastic. They're made entirely of polished 1810 stainless steel, which is the same grade used in All-Clad's cookware. The shine is mirror-like. It almost feels like you're unboxing a piece of art for your kitchen. The storage caddy also stands out. It's not an afterthought. It's brushed stainless steel, wide enough to hold extra utensils, and heavy enough that it doesn't tip over when you reach for something. Right away you can tell All-Clad designed this to look elegant sitting on your counter, not something you'd want to hide in a drawer. Now let's talk about design. Each piece in this set has a long, ergonomically shaped handle that fits comfortably in your hand. The balance is perfect, not handle heavy, not top heavy. You can tell these were designed by cooks for cooks. The ladle has a deep rounded bowl that pours cleanly without drips. Perfect for soups, stews, and sauces. And the edges are nicely rounded so they won't scratch your pots. The solid spoon is sturdy with a slightly concave design that makes it great for serving or stirring thicker foods like mashed potatoes or casseroles. The slotted spoon drains beautifully. The slots are large enough for liquid to escape quickly, but not so big that food slips through. I've used it for veggies, pasta, even poached eggs. Then there's the turner, or spatula, and this one's a standout. It's got a thin edge that slides easily under food, but it's reinforced enough to handle heavier things like seared chicken or burgers. All-Clad even gave each piece a hanging loop at the end, in case you prefer to hang them instead of using the caddy. Everything about these tools screams precision. Smooth welds, no sharp edges, and that mirror-polished finish that catches the light just right. And yes, they're all dishwasher safe, but if you want to keep that mirror shine, a quick hand wash and dry with a soft towel will keep them looking brand new. Now on to what really matters, how they perform in the kitchen. I've been using this set for several weeks now with everything from soups to stir-fries, sauces, and even baking prep. The ladle has become my go-to for chili night. It holds just the right amount and pours smoothly without spilling. The handle stays cool even when you're working over a hot pot, which is something cheaper utensils don't always manage. The solid spoon has been fantastic for mixing thick batters, stirring risotto, and even serving rice. There's zero flex. It feels strong enough to stir cookie dough without bending. The slotted spoon comes in clutch for anything you need to drain, like taking veggies out of boiling water or lifting fried items out of oil. It doesn't warp or discolor even with high heat. And the turner, that's probably my favorite piece in the set. The edge slides under pancakes, eggs, and meats so easily, and it gives you great leverage without scratching your pans. I also appreciate that the handles stay cool to the touch longer than most utensils, even when left resting on the edge of a hot pot or pan. Another plus, they don't retain odors or stains, which means you can go from cooking a tomato sauce one night to flipping pancakes the next morning without any lingering smells. You can really feel that All-Clad quality, but everything about the handling feels intentional. You're not fighting against the tool, it works with you. Now let's talk about longevity. All-Clad is known for building products that last decades, and this utensil set fits right into that legacy. You're not just buying something to use for a year or two. This is a set that can easily last you for decades if you treat it right. The 1810 stainless steel is highly resistant to rust, corrosion, and discoloration. You can use them with acidic foods, wash them daily, and they'll still look pristine. Unlike wooden or silicone tools, you don't have to worry about cracking, melting, or absorbing odors. As far as care goes, I've found that a quick wash with warm water and mild soap keeps them spotless. Occasionally, if you get water spots, a light polish with a microfiber cloth brings the shine right back. You can also toss them in the dishwasher after a heavy cooking session. They'll come out looking great. Honestly, I see these as an investment in your kitchen. One of those buy once, cry once kind of purchases that just keeps paying off every time you cook. Let's talk about the price point. Yes, the All-Clad 5-piece set is on the higher end compared to your average kitchen utensil set. Depending on where you shop, it's usually around the $100 to $120 range. But when you consider the build quality, design, and the fact that these will likely outlast most of your other kitchen tools, it's absolutely worth it. Think of it like this. If you cook regularly, you're using utensils every single day. So why not have tools that perform beautifully and last forever? You're not just paying for stainless steel, you're paying for precision engineering, comfort, and the all-clad reliability that professionals trust in their kitchens. So, final thoughts. The All-Clad 5-piece stainless steel kitchen utensil set isn't just about looks. It's about performance, longevity, and craftsmanship. If you love to cook, entertain, or just appreciate quality gear that elevates your everyday kitchen experience, this set is a winner. It feels great in your hand, it performs flawlessly with every type of dish, and it looks stunning sitting on your counter. Sure, it's an investment, but it's one that delivers every single time you cook. If you're building your kitchen around long-term quality, this is one of those purchases that truly completes the All-Clad experience. A link to this set will be in the description and pinned in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below letting me know what kitchen tools you can't live without, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy cooking, everyone!